type of bile salt that you can get, and you take 2 on an empty stomach twice a day, and it just opens up those ducts. It's great for all sorts of problems with bile sludge and bloating in this area. Number 4, chronic diarrhea, because most pancreatic cancer affects the area of the pancreas primarily responsible for digestive enzymes. When I was in practice and I had people coming in with these symptoms, I would always ask questions about the diet. Unfortunately, doctors don't always do that, but you're going to pick up exactly why a lot of people have these problems just because they're on the wrong diet. Just simply changing the diet can clear up all these symptoms if you don't have cancer. Number 5 is interesting, diabetes. What potentially can happen is that a tumor in the pancreas could be disrupting the cells that produce insulin. You have this overproduction of insulin, and then your body is compensating for the high blood sugar, and it does that for many years until the point where your pancreas is just kind of just too tired and it stops producing insulin. Now you can't regulate the sugar, you can't suppress the blood sugar, so your blood glucose goes higher, and that's diabetes. Number 6, you feel full really quickly when you eat just a little bit of food. This symptom can definitely come because you're obviously eating the wrong food and you're getting bloating really quick. If you have pancreatic cancer, that could be one of them as well. Number 7, persistent fatigue. Of course, there's a million different reasons why you could be tired. A lot of people just consider fatigue normal, and so they just kind of just live with it, or they might drink some more caffeine. Usually with pancreatic cancer, you have this overwhelming persistent fatigue that's just, it's way more than it should be. It just doesn't improve with getting more sleep. Let's talk about some uniquenesses with pancreatic cancer. One thing you don't want to do if you have pancreatic cancer is consume sugar. There's data to show that this type of cancer has some bacteria inside of it, and so now they're experimenting with the microbiome to see if there's some type of improvement you can make in the microbiome to potentially change this cancer. That's kind of an ongoing research project right now. Also, the problem with this type of cancer is the outside of the tumor is super thick and dense. That's also going to make the inside of it like completely without oxygen. And anytime you have a lack of oxygen, that triggers the cancer to spread more. The other unique thing about this cancer is it's very aggressive. The most important thing that a person should do if they're diagnosed with this type of cancer is immediately start doing prolonged fasting. Periodic prolonged fasting is a very safe, effective way because as you're fasting, you're starving off the cancer of resources. You see, the cancer not only needs fuel, but it also needs a membrane. The cancer is going after resources to build itself, even making that more of a priority than just getting fuel. The other